7th grade, Unit 6, Lesson 5 test. Number 1. What are the three major aquatic ecosystems? A. Neritic, marine, intertidal. B. Freshwater, estuary, marine. C. Wetlands, estuary, neritic. Number 2. An ecosystem which is low in salinity is called what? A. Freshwater ecosystem. B. Neritic ecosystem. C. Saline ecosystem. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of freshwater ecosystem? A. An estuary. B. Mangrove forest. C. A lake. 4. What is an area of land that is saturated or soaked with water for at least part of the year called? A. Neritic. B. Estuary. C. Wetland. Number 5. This particular ecosystem collects and filters water, removing some pollutants. It also protects nearby land and shore from floods and erosion. A. Neritic. B. Intertidal. C. Wetland. Number 6. What aquatic ecosystem is described as partially enclosed body of water formed where a river flows into an ocean? A. Estuary. B. Wetland. C. Intertidal. Number 7. This ecosystem contains a mixture of saltwater and nutrient-rich freshwater and often supports commercial fishing. A. Estuary. B. Wetland. C. Intertidal. Number 8. Which ecosystem contains saltwater and makes up over 70% of the Earth's surface? A. Estuary. B. Freshwater. C. Marine. Number 9. What are the two zones found in marine ecosystems along coastal oceans? A. Taiga and estuary. B. Neritic and intertidal. C. Freshwater and wetlands. Number 10. The land that is between high and low tides that includes beaches and rocky shores is called what? A. Taiga zone. B. Neritic zone. C. Intertidal zone. Number 11. What is the underwater zone from the shore to the edge of the continental shelf called? A. Taiga zone. B. Neritic zone. C. Intertidal zone. Number 12. In which zone would coral reefs typically be found? A. Taiga zone. B. Neritic zone. C. Intertidal zone. Number 13. Which marine ecosystem would include all surface waters down to a depth of about 1 mile? A. Open ocean. B. Deep ocean. C. Intertidal. Number 14. Ecosystems at the surface of the ocean are often dominated by what tiny organisms? A. Anglerfish. B. Zebrafish. C. Plankton. Number 15. Which ecosystem typically contains organisms using chemosynthesis and has some species that have bioluminescence? A. Intertidal. B. Open ocean. C. Deep ocean.